News Ground November 7320 Fox, ready to copy for flight following.
Number 20 Foxtrot, roger, on departure, maintain VFR out of below 2,000, expect 2,500, 10 minutes after departure frequency 124.9er, squawk 5331.
I only got the frequency.
Can you repeat it for me?
Can you repeat that, please?
Number 20 Foxtrot, affirmative, on departure, maintain VFR out of below 2,000, expect 2,500, 10 minutes after departure frequency 124.9er, squawk 5331.
Let me know if you got it. Do you want me to do it?
I only got 3.
Alright. Maintain VFR out of below 2,000. Expect 2,005, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.9er, squawk 5231.
Number 20 Foxtrot, readback is correct, except the squawk is 5331. Be advised we have a ceiling now of 4,000, RNAV runway 2 in use.
5331 and call.